Good day guys and welcome. In this video tutorial I will show you how to flip an image in Figma. So firstly guys, you will need to navigate to the cropping setting in your interface onto the right in here. So just choose your image and then go to this cropping setting. And guys, after that, next to the crop on the right you will have this little button. As you can see, rotate image. Just press on it and as you can see you're now flipping it. So don't mind that for me it's kind of stretched. It's because I actually cropped it. It creates this kind of effect for some reason. But if you want to flip it, like for example upside down like this, as you can see it works perfectly fine. Alright, also after flipping you can crop it if you want once again. So as you can see, if I flip it like this, it's kind of, not correct. So you just do like this, bring it back, and you're done now. Guys, enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to not miss the new videos we upload.